Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi issues on your Windows. So if we encounter like Wi-Fi networking, and without further ado, let's go quick into the process. You have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find system. Scroll down and you'll find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you'll find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So click on the run button. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also help you automatically fix the issue. Now my issue is the Wi-Fi network adapter is disabled. So you have recommendations from here. So simply click on that enable adapter. And you just have to wait in a while until it automatically fixes the issue for you. And now the issue has been fixed. Good news, you're connected, as you can see. So for the next method, we can also go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, click on that. Now here you need to locate your connection. The same thing for Ethernet, the process is just the same. If this is disabled in your case, you have to make sure this is enabled. So you just have to simply right click and then select enable. Now I have already enabled this. That's why the option here is disabled. But if this is disabled in your case, the option right here will be enabled. So you just need to click on that. Then for the next method, we also need to make sure our driver is updated. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on that under the best match. Now here you need to locate network adapters. Locate your connection. Make a right click, select update driver. You cannot go on with the first option because this will only do if you are connected to a connection. Now we are not connected. So click on browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here you just need to simply choose one by one for the driver that will work for you. Click on next. And now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this and close this Windows. And then you just need to wait for you to be reconnected into your connection or your Wi-Fi connection. That's it. For the last method, click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find network and internet. Click on advanced network settings. Click on network reset. Then you have to click on the reset now. Click on yes. Make sure to remember your Wi-Fi password because after this, you have clicked yes. This will restart your Windows and you will have to enter again your connection password. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing any Wi-Fi issues, then do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.